INCTDS are proud to announce that our expert architects have drawn up the final plans for our secure rice production facility. We hope to have the complex completed in around 8 months, so let's get straight into its layout. Firstly, as you may have noticed, there is a vast, shark-infested moat surrounding the complex. We expect it to be around 100 meters wide and 50 meters deep, with the chance of escape being 0%. However, we at the INCTDS are fully against animal cruelty and thus have went to extreme caution to ensure that the sharks are cared for by experienced keepers. In fact, the INCTDS were able to obtain consent from the sharks themselves. They all signed contracts, let the record show. Surrounding the inside of the moat, we have a concrete wall which is around 40 meters tall and 6 meters thick, making it virtually impenetrable. In addition to this, there will be a total of 23 watchtowers dotted along the wall to provide guards with aerial coverage of both the compound and the surrounding area. But that's not the end of the security features. You see, all around the facility there will be 24/7 CCTV coverage which will allow guards to monitor prisoner activity all day, every day.
A new INCTDS challenge to bring life back to Africa. A mission that could reshape the world as we know it. Dingoes in Africa. Are you ready? Coming soon to the official INCTDS YouTube channel.
We at the INCTDS consider ourselves to be innovators, and we are excited to reveal the invention of high-energy laser gates. These gates will be placed at all major entries and exits in the facility to ensure that no unwanted people get in and no prisoners get out. Speaking of entries and exits, the facility will feature heavily guarded exits. One will be an entry for inmates in the north of the facility, and the other to the east acting as an entry for visitors. You see, alongside rice production, the INCTDS plans to make our secure rice production facility a tourist attraction where guests can come and watch the rice production process. These visitors will go through the visitor center and will then go on a guided tour of the facility by one of our experienced staff members. At the end of the tour, the guests will be able to purchase souvenirs from our gift shop. As previously mentioned, our guards will be able to have access to all over the compound, but they will also have access to the finest leisure facilities in our guard block. The block will feature 2 luxury indoor swimming pools, a premium gym, a vast dining room, and the finest living quarters. This will ensure that our guards will be well rested and relaxed in their free time, which will allow them to fulfill their duties to the best of their ability. Another activity that is offered by the INCTDS for our guards is access to a shooting range, with the sole purpose of providing our guards with gun training. The shooting range is only for this specific purpose, absolutely no others at all.
Energy has never been in more of a demand than right now, but the INCTDS are here to end the fear. We welcome you to come see some of our revolutionary ideas in our new Sustainable Energy mini-series, coming soon to the official INCTDS YouTube channel.
Now, let's get on to the prisoners' living conditions. We at the INCTDS are a firm believer in justice, but we are also a believer in mercy. So that is why our prisoners will have access to decent quality facilities during their stay. Such facilities include fairly large jail cells with good quality beds, washing facilities, a well-kept library, and a cafeteria with decent food. However, inmates will spend most of their time in the rice fields, where they will be gathering and growing rice every day. Inmates will also transport the rice to a pickup zone, where it will be collected by a third party. Finally, we move on to, and that's all. The INCTDS cannot wait for this facility to open and are expecting our first arrivals to enter the facilities within a week of its opening. Thanks for watching.